going on, guys, and welcome back to Baker's DIY Lifestyle. So in today's video, we are back out here where we planted all this grass seed and laid these straw blankets and put all this mulch out for this guy because we are painting both of his sheds out here. So it is even hotter than it was when we did the mulch. We are pushing 100 degrees today. It's gonna be 100 degrees again tomorrow, and we'll be outside doing some more projects. So we're hoping to get it done as quickly as possible so that we don't have to stand out here all day long. But these sheds, we are just going to be masking everything off. We're gonna be pulling out the sprayer, hitting everything that you see this brown, a little bit of the fascia board. We're covering up the doors and the windows, obviously, and then we'll be painting all the trim that is white, back white, so you can see all that. But it should be a pretty straightforward job, and once we get everything masked off, as long as we have that done right, we should be able to spray it really quick and get cleaned up and get out of here. So with that, I'm just gonna set the camera down so we can get to work, and we'll start masking everything off. All right, guys, so we are done masking off the first shed. We've got our one strip underneath where he wants it, so we're gonna have a guard that'll keep all the overspray from going onto the roof, so we're not super concerned about that. Kind of the same way with the gutters. We're just gonna put up a big board right here, spray everything in the center, and we shouldn't have any trouble with overspray there. When we come back, we will put a piece of plastic over the concrete. That way any of the spray that's fallen down won't change the color of his concrete and make it look bad. But other than that, it took us a few hours to get this one taped off. We're gonna go tape the other one. It is a little bit smaller, but it is also a little bit taller. So it's gonna be interesting to see if there's a speed difference in masking it off. Like I say, once we get spraying, the spray is gonna go down super quick. We'll be able to just rip the tape off as soon as we're done and get out of here. So I'm gonna hop in the truck, drive down to the other shed. We're gonna get started masking it. All right, so we just got done masking everything we're gonna mask on this building. We're gonna paint the trim on the corners the same color as the sheds. We don't have to mask any of that off. We got all the windows done. We're gonna throw some plastic over the bushes here to cover those up. And other than that, we're gonna go get to spraying. So we've now been here for 6 hours just masking. So we're hoping the painting goes a lot faster. But we're gonna head up to the other shed back out in the field, start spraying there. Then we'll start taking plastic down, come over here, spray this one, and we'll get out of here for the day. All right, I'm probably not gonna do a lot of talking on this one because we've been out here for 10 hours now. 11 hours now working on these 2 sheds that, to be honest with you, I don't think either one of us thought it was gonna take this long. So we've definitely lost our tails today. We didn't finish the trim, so we're still gonna have to come back and finish that another day. But overall, the buildings look pretty good. We just are terrible at pricing paint jobs currently, so we need to get a little bit better with that. But yeah, it was a good day, but a pretty long, sucky day for everything that we had to do. But with that, I'll probably make an outro at the house while I'm editing this video instead of right here, so we can rip all the masking off and get to the house. Alright guys, so that is going to wrap up this video. I'm just going to go ahead and do a little voiceover over this part where we're pinning the trim in order to finish up the video. But this was our very first big paint job and we learned a ton from it. We learned what works, what didn't work, places we could cut time so that we could make a little bit more money by the hour, and really just figure out how to quote paint jobs in the future. So it was a great job. It was an awesome learning experience for one of our very first jobs, and we're glad we got to do it. But let me tell you, there were a lot of things that we would have done differently. But if you guys enjoyed this video, if it helped you out, if you saw anything that might help you start a project like this, definitely leave it in the comments down below. And if you have any questions about it, or if you'd like to pick our brains a little bit, since we have been doing this a lot longer now, definitely ask us any questions and we'll be sure to help you guys out. But with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the transformation of these 2 sheds as much as we did. And we hope that you will stop back and check out some more of our videos as we start posting them. But with that, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.